I just ordered a Sonic cleaner off of Amazon. This new was $120 something. It had a lot of good reviews and had a few bad reviews. And I think the bad reviews, because people didn't read the directions on it. It's well packaged in the package. And when you open this up, the first thing it tells you not to run it without water in it, because if you try and heat without water, the heat strips will start smoking. And a lot of people complain that the thing smoked. Probably didn't have enough water in it or didn't put water in it. But it comes with a hose to drain it. Turn it around here. It's got a valve here. Cord plugged in. No instructional thing. Got the basket here and a little ball to put stuff in. This is the only complaint I have with it. This right here piece. It's supposed to screw in there tight, finger tight, and you can over tighten it, just strips. It doesn't. But if you do it right, you can get it to work, but most of the time it strips. It's kind of cheapy plastic. But other than that, everything seems to be okay. The basket does have these little feet on here that you can pull off real easy. You might want to put a little dab of glue to hold them on a little better. This one here is already sliding off. So the feet are kind of flimsy on it. The basket's not real great. The corners are open on the basket. So if you had small parts, they'd vibrate out. But it seems to work well. We're going to try it out on some parts in a little bit and see how well it works. There's an intake manifold off of MGB. It's grimy and dirty. We're going to try and clean it. It just barely fits in there. All right, it's 30 minutes. Not 100% clean. Still got some dirt, and that's like paint. It's come loose. Some sort of paint or something. I think clean it a little bit, scrape it a little bit, and then put it back in for a few minutes. Finish it up. Cool. This here here's what it looks like after come out of there. 30-minute cycle. You can see it's still a little dirty, and I rinsed off the black paint that was on it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty clean. Still a little dirty down inside. Probably need to another cycle with it. Finish cleaning it. But the tubes are mostly clean. All these bolts look clean. Did pretty good.